what will be the formula? Okay, the formula is area of base plate, which is this one. It's step 3, okay, equals to 300 plus 2a into 140.2a. So now what exact a means? So here you can see the diagrammatical representation of the base plate. So here it is the IS section. I have not even shown the sketch of the pedestrian. This is a top view. This is the base plate, okay. The ISMB section situated in the center of the base plate. So the distance from this point to this point, this point to this point, so this point to this point to this point is A, okay. So we consider A. So now we need to determine from this point to this point the length we need to determine. So what will be the length? We know from a given data the flange length is 114. So we consider from this point to this point and from this point to this point length is A. So it is the 140 plus A which is 2A. So overall length of the size is 140A, 142A. So in similarly regarding the height it is 300 plus 2A, right? So the formula will be area of the base plate equals to 300 plus 2A into 140 plus 2A. So now put all the values in a calculator, you will get quadratic equation. If you put properly and solve in your calculator directly, then you can get value 149.57. So now here I have made it as a quadratic equation, then solved. So you can directly solve it in the calc also. So I got A as 149.97. So we'll round it up as a 150. Now I need to determine LP. LP, that means 300 plus 2A as a LP. So here just consider 300 plus 2A. So we don't know what is exactly that length is. We know that value is 300 plus 2A, but we don't know what is numerical for this side. So to determine the numerical value, we need to put up the value of 150 and in the portion of A to get a approximate or appropriate value. So LP is nothing but equals to 300 plus 2A. So put the value of A, you can get the value of LP as 600, BP as 140 plus 2A, get 440. So we have base plate dimensions, length and width as a 450, 440 into 600, but we don't have the thickness. So for the design of the base plate we need exactly what is design means thickness. So all the dimensions you should find out. So also everything we should find it out. So here we can see, here we got the length, here we don't have the depth. So for depth calculation what we need to do, there is one formula where it can be easily calculated. Area of the base plate what we provided is 440 by 600, right? So from that the area we got is 2,64,000 mm square, right? So here what the area is required is 2,63,333. So now area we got 2,64,000. Comparatively provided area is more than the required area. So that means we are safe in the design of the width and length and width. So now here it is step 5, that is thickness. Before calculation of thickness we need to design the ultimate pressure from the below on the slab base, because whatever the ultimate pressure from the below of the slab base that we need to determine, then only we can find out the upward pressure and density. So W is equal to uh, ultimate pressure from the below of the slab base, that is equal to factored load into this. So therefore put the value 2.37 into 10 to the power of 6, 26,400. So you'll get W as 8.98 Newton per m